Prime Time News this evening. Health Minister being pressured for details in recent baby deaths. Under control, Health Ministry gives update on deadly bacterial outbreak. And reactions to court's ruling in historical prosecution appeal.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Jamaica's limestone mining industry hit a new milestone this month with its first shipment to the United States. I'll tell you more later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan. Jordan, what's coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, another legendary former West Indies cricketer is taking the Caribbean team to task following their early departure from the ongoing T20 World Cup in Australia. I'll give you the details later in sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of the health minister's handling of the situation at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital where at least 12 babies died due to a bacterial outbreak?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.